Here's the answer to number 7 on page 74 in your review packet. This one's definitely much more challenging, and you're going to have to really think this one out and probably draw it a few times on a piece of paper because it's kind of challenging. Anne has 24 more cards than Devi. Anne finds that 3/5 of Devi's cards are equal to 1/2 of her cards. How many cards does Anne have? So I've got to think about this here. So Anne finds that 3/5 of Devi's cards are equal to half of her cards. So I'm going to put a little initial here for Devi and Anne. So Anne's thinking that, okay, 3/5 of Devi's cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Devi has 5/5, but 3/5 of them are equal to half of Anne's cards. So if I use my marks and try and make it similar to Devi, so here's Anne's. She has 3 sections, and it's equal to half. That means this portion also has to show the similar units. So 1/2 of Anne's cards, 1/2 of Anne's cards here. Okay, so then it says that Anne has 24 more cards than Devi. So that means this unit here must show 24 more cards than what Devi has. And when I use this, I know that 24 is the number of cards in each unit. So that means each of these units have 24 cards. And Anne has a total of 6 units times 24. And 24 times 6, 6 times 4 is 24, 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 144. So Anne has 144 cards. If you want to take this one step further, you can kind of figure out, well, how many cards does Devi have? Well, if we know that each unit's 24, then Devi has 24 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. And Devi has 120 cards. The problem's not asking you that, but we're taking it one step further. And what is the difference between 144 and 120? 24. And that's what it says, is that Anne has 24 more cards than Devi. This was just an additional piece.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.